Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to determine if a value is primitive in JavaScript. Primitive values are immutable and stored directly in memory, unlike objects, which are reference types. Let's explore an efficient way to check for primitive values. A primitive value is not an object and has no methods. It is directly stored in memory and cannot be altered. Objects, on the other hand, are reference types stored in heap memory. This function first checks if the value's type is object or function, which means it is not primitive. However, null is a special case that is technically an object but still considered primitive. So we include val is strictly equal to null to return true for null. This approach efficiently detects primitive values while handling edge cases like null. The function ensures correct identification of all JavaScript data types. This function correctly identifies all primitive values, including numbers, strings, booleans, and null. It also correctly rejects objects, arrays, and functions as non-primitive values. This function is useful in validating data, optimizing memory, and handling immutable states. It ensures that objects are properly differentiated from primitive, making JavaScript applications more robust. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to check if a value is primitive, ensuring correct handling of JavaScript data types. This technique is useful in data validation, security, and efficient programming. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.